welcome back to my channel, but also welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to Stonehenge. So me and my husband, we're like determined to kind of go around the UK and see so many cool places. So if you haven't seen my Cornwall vlog, if you haven't seen my Cornwall vlog, you've got it, and my Peak District one, and now it's Stonehenge. But this one is just like for the day, it's not too far. I mean, it is an almost 3-hour drive from our house, but I've been before, my husband has never been, but I kind of completely forgot. The only thing that I remember is that surreal feeling of like, oh my god, how did they put this up there and how is it standing? It's crazy. So yeah, come with me. So weather is a little bit it's really warm. It's 26 degrees, but it's like, yeah, just very cloudy. But I checked the weather in Stonehenge and it's going to get really sunny. Oh my god, this camera, like I'm still kind of getting used to it. So yeah, the weather in Stonehenge around the time that we're meant to go there is about 26, 27, and it's going to be sunny. So I booked a really nice pub nearby. Just Google searched and found one that had really good reviews. So we're gonna have some traditional English pub food and then go to Stonehenge. So I made sure I picked a place that's like 10 minutes away so that we can fuel up, and then we've got 2 more hours until our booking time. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me. What do you think I'm gonna eat? So normally I love a Sunday roast, but when I like pub food, I love a pie, and it has to be like a steak and kidney or steak and ale pie. That's usually my favorite, but let's see what's at the pub. I'm kind of feeling our fish and chips as well, so. Isn't this so cute already? Isn't it so cute? This is what a traditional pub should look like. So cute. So we're the only ones inside because everybody, you know, all the Vallakaranga are all outside getting the sun in and the tan in, and we're kind of just like, no, we've got loads of SPF on and we're going to be walking in the sun outside anyway, so we're going to have lunch inside. I mean, look at this. It's a chicken pie. I don't even know where to. It looks good. So let's see. Normally comes with mash, but I didn't want the potatoes. I just wanted extra veg. So it's not wow, but it's nice. Do you want to try it?
I love it.
He loves it. So you can see what it looks like inside. We're going to share a tiramisu ice cream. I'm saying we, but I know my husband's going to finish most of this. Oh, that's so good. I need to go deeper. I lied. I had most of it. It was so good. Some espresso.
Cheers.
Cheers. We ate so much. How the hell are we gonna walk in Stonehenge? We're gonna be like sleeping in the car.
We're gonna roll.
Yeah, we're gonna roll down Stonehenge. Lord Jesus, so many people. So my Digi battery died, so I'm recording on this. We decided to do the walk. You can take a shuttle, which is 10 minutes, but no, it's like it takes a few minutes. The walk is like 30 minutes. So we decided to do the walk. So there is like so much caca on the floor because of these guys Ullapudi Pule. That's crazy. So I figured out how to charge this with this external charger thing that I had on me, that just when I got to Stonehenge, it of course stopped working. But it's okay, I recorded a little bit on my phone. I don't know how it's going to work out quality-wise when I edit it all together, but at least... At least I tried. So yeah, so hopefully this quick little video you enjoyed. I'm gonna try and do these little quick vlogs. I personally like short vlogs. I find them easier to watch, so maybe you guys like it. But if you do think it's too short and you would prefer a detailed long vlog, do let me know. Next time I'll try. Until next time, bye.